Hey there, friends. I hope you're doing well. You know that feeling, right? When you're totally inspired to make a change, to level up your life, but then life just happens? We've all been there. Today, we're going to talk about something really interesting and practical. How to make positive changes in our life in just 30 days. Maybe like many people, you've thought about how you can make big, positive changes in your life. But often, you get caught up in the hustle and don't really take action. Well, I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm going to share with you some practical steps you can take to make real, lasting changes over the next 30 days. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First things first, let's ditch the overwhelm, okay? It's easy to feel like we need to make massive changes to see any real difference in our lives. But that's not the case at all. We're not talking about overhauling your entire life overnight. Transformations happen one step at a time. Just like climbing a staircase, each small step brings you closer to your goal. Remember, big changes come from small changes. Think of it like planting seeds. Each small action you take is like planting a seed that will grow into something much bigger over time. You don't have to feel like you need to change everything at once. Start with simple, everyday habits. Break down your goals into manageable tasks that you can tackle one at a time. Think about it. What's one small tweak you can make in your daily routine that would make you feel just a little bit healthier, happier, or more energized? It doesn't have to be anything drastic. It could be as simple as drinking more water throughout the day. Hydration is key to feeling good and maintaining your energy levels. Imagine yourself reaching for a big, refreshing glass of water first thing in the morning and feeling that hydration boost. It's a small action, but it sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Or maybe it's about adjusting your sleep schedule, even if it's just by 15 minutes. Quality sleep is crucial for your overall well-being. Imagine crawling into bed a little earlier, waking up feeling more rested, and having a few extra minutes to ease into your day. Those extra minutes can make a big difference in how you start your morning. Or maybe it's about carving out a little bit of me time in your schedule, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Taking time for yourself is essential for maintaining balance and reducing stress. Imagine finding a quiet corner, closing your eyes, taking some deep breaths, and just being present in the moment. This simple practice can help you feel more centered and calm. These small changes might seem insignificant at first, but trust me, they will have a huge impact on how you feel and the overall quality of your life. Over time, these small actions add up, leading to significant improvements in your health, happiness, and energy levels. So, start small, stay consistent, and watch as these tiny changes transform your life in ways you never imagined. Now that we've talked about the power of small changes, let's talk about how to create a roadmap for your 30-day transformation. This roadmap will serve as your guide, helping you navigate through the changes you want to make and ensuring you stay on track. One of the most important things you can do is set goals. Goals give you direction and purpose, acting as a compass that guides your actions and decisions. Now you might wonder, how do I do that? How do I set goals that are meaningful and achievable? It's simple. Start by asking yourself, what do you truly want to change or improve in your life? Reflect deeply on your desires and aspirations. Do you want to feel more energized? Imagine waking up each morning with a spring in your step, ready to take on the day with enthusiasm. More connected to loved ones? Picture yourself spending quality time with family and friends, building stronger, more meaningful relationships. More fulfilled in your work? Envision yourself excelling in your career, feeling a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction with your professional life. Once you have a clear picture of what you want, it's time to break it down into smaller, actionable steps. This makes your goals more manageable and less overwhelming. You can set short-term goals that you want to achieve in 30 days. These short-term goals act as stepping stones towards your larger objectives. For example, if your goal is to improve your health, you could commit to 30 minutes of exercise every day or start eating healthier. These small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements over time. Imagine yourself lacing up your sneakers, feeling that surge of energy as you move your body, and finishing your workout feeling strong and accomplished. Visualizing your success can be a powerful motivator. Or picture yourself choosing nourishing, whole foods that make you feel vibrant and healthy from the inside out. Every healthy choice you make brings you one step closer to your goal. Goal setting and prioritization are key because when you know exactly what you want to achieve, the path becomes clearer and you're less likely to get distracted. By setting clear priorities, you can focus your energy on what truly matters, making it easier to stay committed and motivated throughout your 30-day transformation journey. Okay, so you've got your small changes lined up, you've set your goals, now it's time to put it into action. As you start implementing these changes, it's important to focus on self-discipline. Now, I know the word discipline can sometimes feel a little intense, but trust me, it's not about being hard on yourself. It's about showing up for yourself with consistency and love. Every day, take one small step toward your goal. Remember that morning routine we talked about? Stick to it. Remember that commitment to move your body for 30 minutes? Make it happen. Remember that intention to eat healthier? Choose nourishing foods with each meal. Here's the most important part. Don't beat yourself up if you can't get everything perfect at once. Life happens. There will be days when you sleep through your alarm or grab takeout instead of cooking. And that's totally okay. Instead, focus on the small progress you're making. Celebrate those small victories. There will be days when you feel like you're not making any significant changes, but even small steps add up over time. The key is to stay consistent and stick to your daily routine. As you move through these 30 days of transformation, it's so important to acknowledge how far you've come. Each day is a step forward, a small victory in your journey towards a better version of yourself. That's where tracking and evaluation come in. They serve as your compass, guiding you and showing you the progress you've made. Now, this doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's not about perfection, but about capturing your journey in a way that resonates with you. It could be as simple as jotting down a few notes in a journal every day. These notes can be brief, just a few sentences about your day. Imagine yourself at the end of each day, reflecting on your wins, big or small, and writing them down. What went well today? What brought you joy? These reflections can be incredibly powerful. What are you grateful for? Gratitude can shift your mindset and help you focus on the positive aspects of your journey. You could even take a few minutes to write about any challenges you faced and how you overcame them. This can help you see patterns and develop strategies for future obstacles. Or maybe you're more of a visual person. Visual aids can be incredibly motivating and help you see your progress in a different light. In that case, you could create a vision board with images that represent your goals and the progress you're making. This can be a fun and creative way to stay engaged with your journey. Imagine yourself looking at that vision board every day, feeling inspired and motivated to keep going. Each image is a reminder of why you started and where you want to go. Sometimes looking back at where you started can give you a huge boost in motivation and energy to keep going. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication. And don't be afraid to share your progress with someone you trust, a friend, a family member, or even your online community. Sharing can create a support system that encourages you to keep moving forward. Sharing your journey can not only help you stay accountable, but also inspire others to embark on their own transformations. Your story could be the spark that ignites someone else's journey. Remember, this is your journey. Celebrate every step, no matter how small. Each day is a new opportunity to grow, learn, and become the best version of yourself. So, now that we've discussed how to make positive changes in our life in just 30 days, I encourage you to start this journey. Remember, big changes always begin with small steps. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It means the world to me and helps me continue to create content that empowers you to live your best life. I'll be back with more exciting and useful content in the future. Until next time, stay motivated and take care.